Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this nice little skewed background using only HTML and CSS. If you're excited to learn how to do this, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you don't understand everything I'm gonna do in this video, don't worry. When this channel reaches 100 subscribers, I'm gonna post a crash course for HTML and a crash course for CSS, teaching you everything you need to know from beginner to advanced. Right now we are at 34 subscribers, so we still have a way to go. So go ahead and share my video so we can reach that number as quickly as possible. And if you are new here, on this channel I post new videos every single day that will help you become a better web developer so that you can earn more money and live a better life. If that is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icons so that you won't miss any of my videos. And after you do that, go in the comment section and leave a comment with "I've subscribed," and I will personally go through the comments and reply to you and give you a warm welcome. With that being said, let's get to the coding. So I have an empty folder on my desktop called Skewed Background, and I opened it with my text editor, which in my case is brackets. Make sure you're coding along with me, since this is the best way to learn. I'm going to create the index.html file and the style.css. Go in the index.html. This text editor has a nice little plugin called Emmet, and when I put an exclamation mark and I press tab, it gives me this basic markup. Let's change the title to Skewed Background. Okay, let's link our style.css file. Alright, and let's start with the markup. So we're gonna create a div with a class of section1. Inside we're gonna put another div with a class of container1. And inside the container1 we're gonna put an h1 element, and I'm gonna say heading for section 1, and below it a p tag, and I'm gonna put lorem 60. Alright, now I'm gonna copy this entire div with the class of section on, and I'm gonna change it to section 2, container 2, and heading for section 2. Alright, that's it for the markup. Let's go ahead and open it in the browser. Alright, this is it for now. Let's go to the style.css and make it look nicer. So first, some general styling. I'm going to select everything on the page with the asterisk element. Remove the margin and the padding. So margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. For the body, I'm gonna give it a font family of Arial and sans serif. Give it a line height of 1.5 and a background of 2F 89. Let's take a look. Alright, now select the section 1. Let's first make some space here. Alright, now select the section 1, the div with the class of section 1, and give it a background of 8F1212. Okay, as you can see, it's a nice little dark red. Let's give it some padding. So 220 pixels on the top and bottom and 0 on left to right. I'll give it some more padding on the bottom, so padding bottom 250 pixels. A color of the text will be white, so FFF. Okay, and now we're gonna use the transform property and use the skew Y and put it to 8 degrees. As you can see, it kind of made it at an angle. And we're gonna also use the translate property, so translate Y actually, and give it a value of minus 140 pixels, so it will pull it up, as you can see. Now the text is kind of out of the browser. We're gonna fix that right now. Select the div with the class of container1. Use the transform skew again. Skew Y, and this time give it minus 8 degrees to bring the text back to the normal position, as you can see. give it a padding of 50 pixels top and bottom, 200 pixels left and right, a width of 75%, and let's give it a margin left auto to put it to the right. Alright, now we're gonna move on to section 2. So section 2, give it a padding bottom of 200 pixels, a padding top of 100 pixel, and a color of white, FFF. Okay, now select the container 2, so container 2, give it a padding of 0 on top and bottom, 200 pixels left and right, and a width of 75%. That should do it. Alright, and now we have our nice little skewed background. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, and that is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.